Hi, this is Ram Parvez, a passionate motorist and tech enthusiast, director of SRS Absolute Technologies Private Limited, a BTech graduate from University of Rajasthan with more than decade of technology development, diversification and implementation experience, along with experience into e-commerce, re-commerce and social media. Other directors are Sujata Kumari, masters with deep management and operational skills as well as vast industry experience. We are DPIIT recognized startup India company providing safety mobility equipments and services under Make in India. End-to-end product, solution and services across the globe with non-stop innovation. We have national and international licenses, certifications, patents, trademark following all compliances. We have passionate team creating safety and honest ecosystem, transforming every type of outdoor safety with a scalable, affordable products and service altogether across all budget ranges. Motive of the company is smart mobility and extreme security. Featured product and services are all-in-one 4G AI dash cam in many form factor designs, varieties with driver assistance, ADAS, DMS, remote live tracking with GPS and Galileo support, 24/7 remote live video streaming, incident reporting, infotainment with flexible and expandable ecosystem using built-in SIM facility, active panic button, providing real-time cloud monitoring service, adding highest safety to individual, association, fleet, personal vehicle, businesses, outdoors, agriculture, government entities, including various industrial applications to promote the honest culture, increasing the human productivity with complete peace of mind. This is one of that device. Here you can see SIM card facility there. It has own 4G network, micro SD support and all other connectivity, built-in camera which is expandable with infrared also. Play Store and everything you can see. This is with wireless Android Auto, Apple Car inbuilt along with the security features, along with the Android Play Store and applications are there. SIM card slot, micro SD card slot, GPS connectivity, front and rear camera. Company provides lot many scalable solution with infrared camera compatible or 360-degree into 2 dimension and up to 240-degree in the third dimension as well. Also, it supports a real-time panic SOS button, which is very much required for the safety, family concerns, kids safety, all purpose. Here is the dual band GPS. It connects to all the devices and many camera options are there. Company is also making lot many lifestyle product like this, environment friendly product to reduce the emissions, such curtains. Across all the product, one of the very important feature provided is remote monitoring services, which you can see over here on the television. I am sitting in my office and I can see whatever is happening around my car parked in the parking area, and I am inside the office. Now, at the same time, if you like to understand how we are driving, at what speed we are driving, how much the rules we are violating, and what is our health consideration, every details are coming. SRS Absolute dash camera and a smart product have AI capability. So this is all-in-one 4G dash cam in many form factor with driver assistance, ADAS, DMS, remote live tracking with GPS, Galileo support, 24/7 remote live video streaming, incident reporting, infotainment facility with flexible and expandable ecosystem using built-in SIM facility, active panic button, providing a real-time cloud monitoring service, adding highest safety to individual, association such as fleet, personal vehicle, business, outdoors, agriculture, government entities, including various industrial applications to promote the honest culture, increasing the human productivity with complete peace of mind. When inside the car, user can enjoy infotainment provided, online map, offline map, GPS with immense integration and flexibility, beside 24/7 recording and 24/7 live remote multi-channel live video feed, video stream services, including real-time live location tracking, incident reporting. It also acts as a remote surveillance camera while driving or while it is parked. When it is parked, Motion detection camera detect the surrounding movement and send alert to the registered user using built-in internet, providing a 24/7 surveillance system to mobility. Other products you saw is temperature isolation curtains, which contributes to the lesser fuel wastage and better environment and lesser pollution, reflecting the ultraviolet. There are many more lifestyle products we are bringing to the market. We are a manufacturing company offering various mobility and daily lifestyle products, emphasizing the safety, promoting cooperative driving, minimizing the wastage, and contributing to the environment, emphasizing upon to a renewable source of energy. We have strong presence and feedback in e-commerce such as Amazon, Flipkart, JioMart, IndiaMart, Shopify, Fourth Wall, TechnoDrive, SRSAbsolute.com, and authorized partners. TechnoDrive and SRS Absolute official YouTube channel or affiliate working together, creating awareness all type of road safety and outdoor safety, even beyond the scope, crossing all the barrier with 100% transparency. Our commitment is to reduce all type of road rage, accident, outdoor crimes to a significant level where even there is no infrastructure across every part of the country, contributing to safer, greener environment. Join us. Thank you. Stay tuned.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even